Good morning. Ito yung ating presentation for our web-based flood monitoring device. We have these 5 levels of float sensors or float switch, and they work this way. Bale, we will install this one strategically. Parang meron siyang levels, water level. The longest one will be placed the lowest, then we have 5 other levels of water. So it's up to you if you want to extend. You can just extend this two wire, cut this wire, and then extend if you want to extend. Okay, just like this one. It's very easy to do so. And then here's the main device. The controller and the GSM is inside. Okay, you just need a power bank, a 2 outputs power bank to power the device. But you can have this GSM powered by this output, and then the other output will be used for the Arduino here. Okay, but for now I will use the computer or the desktop to power the Arduino, but you can power it up with a cable like this. Okay, and just place it there. But for now I will use this one so I can check for the serial monitor. So what the device does is that if this is reached by the water, the sensors, how it works is, if it is stopped by the water, it will tend to float up. Okay, we install it this way, vertical manner. So if the water is if the water touch the sensor, it will float. That's why it's called float switch. And then it will be detected by the microcontroller that the water is already reached this level. So every every 2 minutes, or every 2 or 1 minute, you can contain to 1 to 2 minutes, the reading or the water level will be sent towards this, I think, speak API. It's a API or a development form, so that we won't be needing to use any other web host. We will be using this web host, so it will be graphed here, okay, in real-time manner. Every time the device sends data, it will be graphed here, and then it will create a line graph. We will show it to you later. So we can also export the data import or export. So if you want to export, just place the time, change the time here. You download all these channels feed in CSV. CSV is Excel format, so you can download it in Excel format. So this is public view. Okay, you can check. Public view is just need to have this channel ID. Okay, and this is the author, and we will create this. We will have a real-time monitoring of flood water level here. So for the monitoring of water level, we have level 0, level 1, level 2. Don't mind the 2.5, it will be deleted later. Level 3, level 4, and level 5. So it will fluctuate here, the reading will fluctuate in real time, so we can monitor it in real time also. So here's the code. Okay, so we have this code as the main code, or the code that we send to the Arduino. Okay, so it's quite long. And then after debugging, we've learned that we can send the device using the GPRS, or using mobile data, which is the most flexible way of flood monitoring, if I'm not mistaken, because you can carry it anywhere, or you can install this device anywhere, because it just uses the mobile data to send data to the internet. So this device now is already unlimited for 1 month. It's using TM SIM card with 299 pesos for the whole month. So I think for a monitoring of such risk, a 300 peso is already good enough. So for our testing, we just place them at low level first. Okay, all of them at low. Let's say, for example, the water is not yet reached, even at this level. So now it is at level 0. If this is reached by the water, okay, this float switch, it will turn upside. So this will become level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and finally, if this reach this level, it will create a level 5. So I will power it up. So if you power it up, okay, I will just check the serial monitor so we can see what's happening. So at first, if you power up the device, it will initialize the GSM. So after that, after the initialization, it will now send every 2 minutes of data, or we can make it a 1.5 minutes or 1 minute and 30 seconds of data. Every 1 minute and 30 seconds, data will be sent to our database, web database, which can be viewed anywhere as long as you have internet. And it will be graphed in real time. So I think it's better that we just watch the real-time graphing. So it must have an initial value of 0. So we can check here, it says sending data via GPRS. So check it here, what's happening. This flood monitoring, we have water level, we have date and time. So the only problem we have now is waiting every 2 minutes. Okay, so that's the first data that we have, that red dot there. You can check it here. That's the time, 1:45. That's the date, February 2. So let's say the water already reached the second level. I will turn this one up. Okay, and I'll turn this one up. Let's say the water reached up to this level. So let's wait for that data to come in. So before I okay, see that before it already sent before I even have this one turned up. So it's still at 0. So let's wait for the second. I think it must have a level 2 if I'm not mistaken. So you can see it now reached level 2. It now have a value of from 0 and then goes to level 2. So let's say I'll place this one to level 3. The water also already reached this level. Okay, so we can see it here. We're not doing anything. I'm manually changing the sensors. So let's wait for that data to be sent. So it's still in level 2 before I change. I will turn on level 3 now. So you can check for the nodes for time. Water level 2, water level 2, water level 0, water level 0. So I now switch on for switch 3 or the third level. It must have a level 3 in the next data to come in. Let's wait for time still. Okay, you can check it. It has already risen to level 3. Now I will turn it on to level 5. You can see that it has delay because before I even notice this one, it already reading the reading earlier. So I think it will again send level 3 if I'm not mistaken. So I'll place, let's say it reached that 5th level already. Let's wait for that. So even if we just leave it there, it will just be grabbing here the water level. And you just got to see this data from the internet. Just need to have this this channel ID 21404 that is made by under your name, can be made under your name. So okay, you can see it does reach level 4. I don't know why it doesn't reach level 5 yet. Oh, I didn't have. I will just need to make it. It's still low. I will need to make it high. Okay, let's wait for that before I have. Okay, you can see it already sent as level 5. So let's say I will drop it back to level 0. So I will example, the water suddenly drops back. I don't know why. Let's just for testing purposes, or it's real time graphing. Okay, actually we can check for the nodes. The nodes has the ID, the water level, the date, and the time. Okay, so before I send it back to level 0, it already sent another data with its 5. Okay, so it's quite fast. So now it's reading 0. So there is some delay on the update. That's normal. So the 2 minutes limit is actually a good limit for monitoring, because you know, okay, you can see it drop back to 0. So it will continue to graph that way, which to tell us what is the water level at any time we want. We cannot have this one every 1 second to send data every 1 second, because the internet is not that fast. We have using only mobile data GPRS, and it's not that fast, just like a LAN cable or a DSL or something. So what we really do is just create a portable device. It's actually portable. You can place it anywhere, you can install it anywhere, and it sends you a correct data of water level having 5 levels. We can actually increase the water level, make it 9 levels or 10, just by increasing the sensors. For now, 5 is actually good enough. So let's say for example I want to download the data, so we can actually create this data export. You click data export. Okay, you can create whatever file do you want. You have JSON, JavaScript, we have XML or CSV. CSV is the best, I think, for me, because CSV, okay, now it's always 0. I'll make it 1 or 3. I'll make it 1. I'll make it level 1. Okay, so CSV, you can click here, data export or import. If you download here, download all these channels feeds in CSV format. If you click download, it will download the database in CSV format, Excel format. But for now, I have no Excel reader, but it's named as feeds.csv. Okay, so I have no Microsoft Office, it's already expired. Okay, you can check it, but this is in CSV format. So CSV is actually Excel, so you can download the database in Excel format, which is very good for research and development, and for gathering data. So remember, you can power this up using that one. Thank you very much.